In today's video, I'm going to teach you to review your American Express checking account. Let's get started by opening the American Express mobile app on your phone or heading to the official American Express website in your browser. Both options give you the same secure access to your checking account, so use whichever is most convenient. If you're on the app for the first time, make sure it's updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Next, sign in using your username and password. If you've set up two-factor authentication, you may be prompted to verify with a code. Go ahead and complete that step to keep your account secure. If you ever forget your login details, look for the Forgot Username or Password link on the sign-in page to reset them safely. Once you're logged in, navigate to your checking account dashboard. This is your home base for everything related to your American Express checking account. Front and center, you'll see your current balance. Take a quick moment to note whether it's your available balance or total balance, since these can differ if you have pending transactions. From here, dive into your transaction history. This view lets you review recent purchases, deposits, and any pending items in real time. You can usually tap or click on a transaction to see more details like the merchant name, date, and amount. Use built-in filters or the search bar to find specific charges or deposits faster. This is especially helpful when you're reconciling your budget or checking for duplicate transactions. You also have access to monthly statements from this area. Open a statement to get a full snapshot of your activity for that period and download it as a PDF if you want to save it or share it with your accountant. Statements are great for verifying large totals, confirming direct deposits, and keeping organized records for tax time or personal budgeting. To stay on top of your account activity, set up account alerts. You can typically choose notifications for things like low balances, large transactions, or deposits hitting your account. Customize how you want to be notified via app, push notifications, email, or text so you get timely updates without having to constantly check in. Alerts are a simple way to spot unusual activity quickly and keep your finances on track. And that's all there is to it. Open the app or website, log in, check your balance on the dashboard, review your transactions and statements, and enable alerts. With these steps, you can confidently review your American Express checking account anytime, 24/7, and stay in control of your money.